Okay, it's recording. Anybody want to say anything?
I should get you for your recording.
Yeah, you want to say anything? How's it going, Damien?
Yeah, man. Ready to go?
Yeah. Terry? You want to say anything? We're recording. Terry? You want to say anything? Where are you going to be going today?
Carpinteria.
Awesome. Which way are you going to go?
We're stopping at the spot. We're going to go to 150, the 130, no, 33.
150, 133,
To the 192.
to the 192.
The back way.
Around what lake?
We're going the back way.
We're going to be going around Lake.
Casitas.
Yeah, baby.
Casitas.
Yeah, Harley riders eat your heart out. Look how beautiful the day is here.
Yeah, get those deals, man.
Nice breeze in here. Nice breeze, not too windy.
Awesome.